Hello, good morning students. Today we'll clear the concept of Biosphere Reserves. Biosphere Reserves, they are under category 5 of IUCN protected areas. The Indian government has established 18 Biosphere Reserves in India which protect larger area of natural habitat than the typical national park and animal sanctuaries, and often include one or more national park or preserves along with buffer zone that are open for some economic uses. Protection is granted not only to flora and fauna of the protected area but also to the human communities which inhabit these areas and their ways of life. So, social protection is also there in biosphere reserves. 11 out of 18 biosphere reserves are part of world network of biosphere reserves based on UNESCO Man and Biosphere program. And here Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, Nokrek Biosphere Reserve, Panchmadi Biosphere Reserve, Simplipal Biosphere Reserve, Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve, Achanakumar and Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve, Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve, Kanchenjunga National. So these biosphere reserves, they have specific species. They are known for very important species. For example, Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is known for snow leopard and Himalayan black deer. Gulf of Mannar near the Rameshwaram is famous for dugong. Nokrek Biosphere Reserve in northeastern states famous for red panda. Sundarbans in West Bengal for Royal Bengal tiger. Manas Asiatic elephant tiger, Assam roof turtle, hispid hare, golden langur. Great Run of Kutch for Indian wild ass. Cold desert for snow leopard. Kanchenjunga for snow leopard and red panda, like that. So various species, they are present in the biosphere reserves. Now these are the examples, so you have to learn at least 5 to 10 places of the biosphere reserves and locate it on the map. UNESCO launched Man and Biosphere program in 1975, where this concept of biosphere reserve was introduced. Biosphere reserves are the protected area which aims to preserve the genetic diversity of the ecosystem, protect not only flora and fauna but also the inhabitant, very important, tribal people who lived in the protected areas. The biosphere reserves generally include one or more national park or wildlife sanctuaries. I hope biosphere reserve is simple and it is clear. Here, along with flora fauna, along with the habitat, the inhabitants, that is the tribal peoples, they are also, their culture is also protected. Thank you. So biosphere reserves again is divided into 3 parts: core area, buffer zone and transition zone. Core area, strictly protected zone, contributes to the conservation of landscapes, ecosystem, species and genetic variation. Buffer zone, it adjoins the core area, used for activity compatible with sound ecological practices that can reinforce scientific research, monitoring, training and education. Transitional area, where the communities foster socio-culturally and ecological sustainable economic and human activities. So the darker green area is core area, surrounded by buffer area and surrounded by light green transitional area. So in the transitional area, the human settlement is there. In the bit darker zone, research, monitoring, education and tourism is there. So biosphere reserves are learning places for sustainable development. They are the site for testing interdisciplinary approaches to understanding and managing changes and interaction between social and ecological systems, including conflicts, prevention, and management of biodiversity. They are the places that provides local solution to the global challenges. So, biosphere reserves include terrestrial, marine, and coastal ecosystem. Thank you.